Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to fix it looks like you don't have access to this store message on Shopify store. If you're seeing this error, it means your Shopify account doesn't have the right permissions to log in. Here's how to fix it. Step 1 will be checking if you're logged into the right account. So go to admin.shopify.com and try logging in with a different email or password that might be linked to the store. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it. Now, Step 2 will be confirming your role and permissions. If you're a staff member, ask the store owner to check your access. The store owner can re-invite you or adjust your admin settings and user permission. So navigate to your admin page, click on settings, then search for user permission, click on users and permissions, and you'll be taken to this page where you can easily add staff members if you want. As you can see, the store owner is currently this person. Now I can click on transfer ownership and transfer this ownership anyone I want, and they'll be easily able to log in. Now you can choose whether you want anyone to send you a collaborator request or only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. Now, in login services, you can see you can allow staff to use external services to log into Shopify. You can click on edit and choose enable Google Apps for login, and you can choose what is your Google Apps domain, then click on save and save again, and that will instantly help other peoples to log in or you to log in with another account. Now, step 3 will be clearing cache and trying different browser. So, clearing cache is essential in this step because sometimes unwanted cache can interrupt your login process. In order to do that, click on three-dotted icon at the top, click on settings. Now, search for cookies and site permissions, click on manage and delete cookie site data. Now in the settings page, you'll have to search for clear, hit enter, and under delete browsing data, click on choose what to clear. Now choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click on clear now. After click on clear now on this page, it will instantly delete unwanted cache that could result in this problem. Now, step 4 will be checking for store suspension. If Shopify suspend your store due to unpaid invoices or policy violations, check your email for notifications. Resolve any pending issues before trying to log in again to your Shopify store. Now, step 5 will be contacting Shopify support. If none of the above work, contact Shopify support at Shopify Help Center and provide your store URL, the email linked with the Shopify account, and screenshots of any error messages you see. Once your account is restored, you'll be able to log in without any issues. So these were the steps that you can try to easily solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.